See here, this one y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 3 plus mod x minus 5 is equal to k. Find the number of solutions. If k is equal to 8, how many solutions? If k is less than 8, how many solutions? If k is greater than 8, how many solutions? This question I am going to do it right now. So let us draw the graph of this function. How to draw the graph of the function? See graph, how to draw? Draw the graph. See here, to draw the graph, just now I explained you before. Take the zeros of this one. What are the zero of this one? X is equal to 1. What is the zero of this one? X is equal to minus 3. What is the zero of this one? X is equal to 5. So 1, minus 3, 5 are the zeros. Let us substitute here. X is equal to 1 in this. What I get here? Y is equal to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 minus 5 will get. So y is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Mod 0 is 0. Plus 1 plus 3 is 4. Mod 4 is 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is how much? 4. So 4 plus 4, this value will become 8. So the answer is became 8. Okay. So this value is you got 8. Now let us substitute another 0. X is equal to minus 3 you can substitute. So if you substitute y is equal to, I will get minus 3 minus 1. Plus I will write here minus 3 plus 3. And plus I substitute minus 3 minus 5. What I am getting here y value? Modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. Modulus of 0 is 0. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8. Completely it will become 12. Now let us go for another 0 and substitute. X is equal to 5, substitute in this. Suppose you are substituting x is equal to 5. The function is becomes 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 modulus plus 5 plus 3 modulus plus 5 minus 5 modulus. Okay. So 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. Okay. I get as 5 minus y is equal to, I am getting here 5 minus 1 is 4. Modulus of 4 is 4. Plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Modulus of 8 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. Modulus of 0 is 0. So finally the answer is getting 12. Okay. Now let us go for x is equal to, all these 3 points you got. Let us draw the graph of this function. So take the x-axis and take the y-axis and draw the function. See the behavior of the function. So minus infinity to plus infinity. Here minus infinity to, plus infinity to minus infinity. So now this point is 0, 0. I take the axis on that 2 units, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. And here also minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. And here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that. And down we can take minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 like this. Now the plot the points of this one, what I am getting? If x is 1, y is 8. So x is 1 if I take, y is 8. This is the point. If I am taking minus 3, x is minus 3, 12 it is there. If it is minus 3, then it is the 12. This is the point. Okay, x is equal to 5, then I am getting 12. X is equal to 5, I am getting 12. So if you join these points, if you join this point, this will be here joined and this will be here joined. So you got a V shape, correct? Let us take one more point out. Let us take one more point out, means you take 6 here. You get more another point on the top. So it will join like this. And you take one more point outside of minus 4. You take any point and this also will get on the top. So this is goes like this. So this is the graph of this function. Now my question, first question is, how many solutions are possible when k is equal to 8? See this one. This is what is the meaning of this? Y is equal to k. This is totally the function in y. And y is equal to k. When I am saying y is equal to k, y is a line. Y is equal to 1. Suppose I am saying y is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? at 1 this line will be there. This is the name as y is equal to 1 line. If I say y is equal to minus 1, at minus 1 this line will be there and this will be horizontal to the x-axis. This is the way we do it. Okay, so now what the first question said, k is equal to 8 means at point 8, k is equal to 8 means y is equal to 8 here. Y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8, graph will be like this. The first line is y is equal to 8 is the line. This one is the y is equal to 8 line. So y is equal to 8 is this line. So this is touching this graph how many points? This line is touching the graph at 1 point. So the number of solutions are 1. Number of solutions is equal to 1 because it is touching exact this graph 1 point. So the number of solutions is 1. When k less than 8 means not 8, below the 8 is saying that k less than 8 means you draw any line less than 8. You draw any line less than 8. Will this line touch the graph? No, it will not touch and it will not cut. So no solutions. No solution. So no solution. Number of solutions are 0. Number of solutions are 0. When I say k is greater than 8 means 8 से बड़ा कोई number ले लो. So more than 8 any number you take and draw the graph and the graph is cuts the graph in 2 points. So the number of solutions are 2. So the number of solutions are 2. This is the way to do it.